friend, welcome back. In this video we will learn about how to install MS Office 2016. So first of all you have to download. Write in search engine Office 2016 free download. So from this link you can download MS Office 2016. Simply click on free download. The next page will be appear. So scroll down and click download here. So the file will start downloading. Click on keep. It start downloading. It will take time. After downloading you have to extract this file. After extracting, then just click on setup. The page will appear here. So select all. Yes, I want to install all of these. Installation start. So MS Office 2016 installation started. It will take few minutes. After completing, so you will see on taskbar MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Close this page. Close. Now let me open MS Word. So MS Office 2016 is not activated. The message will appear here that you have to activate this MS Office. But I don't have any product key, so I will simply close. Click on blank page. Look here, the message also appear here that you have to activate first. Now let me show how you will activate MS Office 2016. For this you will need a software reloader. I will mention the link from where you will download this software. Simply click on this. Click on OK. By this software you can activate Windows also, but I am choosing Office 2016. Yes, it will also take few minutes in activation MS Office 2016. Activation will be completed, so the message which appear at the start of MS Word or any MS Office, MS Excel that you have to activate will be disappear and your MS Office will be activate completely. So MS Office 2016 activate completely. So the message appear. Okay, now you have to close. Let me show now. Click on MS Word. Now I didn't see any message, so the MS Office is now activated. So in this video we learn how to install and how to activate MS Office 2016. Thank you for watching.